Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to rotate a document here in DocuSign. All right. So first up, go ahead and go to your agreements and open up the draft that you wanted to rotate the document. Okay. For example, this draft right here. Just hit on continue. Then I'm going to hit on next. Then here we have the editor. Okay. As you can see here, mine is actually rotated. So to rotate it, just go ahead and go to the top right. And here we have the preview of our page. So the only thing you have to do is just click on this rotate button besides the delete button. Okay. Just click on rotate, wait for it. And as you can see here, it is now on portrait. Just click on rotate and it will be on landscape. Okay. That's basically how you do it. You can now go ahead and add fields right here. For example, signature and then initials like so. Text. Just like that. Please sign. All right. That's how you rotate a document here in DocuSign. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.